In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use checklists in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing projects and tasks, and checklists can help you stay organized and track your progress efficiently. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, the steps I'm about to share will simplify your workflow. First things first, head over to the Trello website in your preferred web browser. If you have a Trello account, you'll see several options for logging in, such as using your email address or via Google or Microsoft accounts. Choose the method you normally use to access your Trello boards. Once you're logged into Trello and your board has loaded, it's time to select the card you want to work on. Cards are where you'll house your tasks and to-dos, so find the one that requires a checklist. Simply click on it and you'll be presented with detailed options for that particular task. After opening the card, you'll notice a checklist button situated right below the card's name. This is your key to adding structured tasks. Click the checklist button to get started. Now is when you give your checklist a title. Naming your checklist is crucial. It could relate to the specific task or project you're organizing. This small step makes it much easier to manage what you've planned. Once your checklist is named, you'll see a field indicating Add an Item. This is where you'll enter your tasks. Just type in a description of the task you want to add and click Add to save it to your checklist. Don't worry if there are multiple tasks to track. Just repeat this process as many times as necessary until your checklist is complete. As you progress with your tasks, Trello offers a handy feature, a progress bar that updates each time you complete an item. Simply click the box next to the task's name to mark it as done. Watching the progress bar fill up can be a great motivator and can also provide a clear visual on how much work remains. If you need to update any item on your checklist, just click twice on the item's title. This will enable you to make changes. Once you've updated the title to your liking, click Save to ensure your changes are kept. In cases where an entire checklist or specific items need to go, Trello makes it easy to delete them. Click the Delete button next to the checklist's title if you want to remove the entire list. For individual items, you'll find an ellipsis option. Click on it to either convert the item into a separate card for more detailed planning or to remove it altogether. And there you have it, a simple guide to using checklists in Trello. This feature is versatile, helping you break down larger tasks into manageable pieces and making it easier to track what you've achieved and what's left to do. Happy organizing!